Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to send money from Payoneer account to PayPal account. So simply you can see this is our Payoneer account setup. So what we need to do, first of all, click on this link. This is the help link and support link. So you can also copy this link and paste here. Now simply click on send payment and withdraw to bank. Now you can see here multiple options available, but we will click on withdrawal bank account. After clicking this, now what you need to do, just click on how do I withdraw my bank account. So you can see these options are listed. You can also click on the send payment. If the option is not available, we actually need to contact the Payoneer team. So simply click here. You can find the contact us option. So here you can add your email. It's already added. So here you can type your message, like I am typing I want to add my PayPal account. You can also add the relevant documents and click on submit option. So after receiving the message, you can confirm your PayPal account